I'm Dr. Sandra Stanton from Chiro Health. This is my son Samuel. He's been getting adjusted ever since he was born. I wanted to tell you about the importance of getting your child adjusted or checked for vertebral subluxation. Vertebral subluxation is a physical interference on our nervous system, and that interferes with your body's ability to be optimally healthy. So I wanted to welcome you to bring your child in if you're already a patient, and I am interested in seeing your friends, neighbors, and family and their children so that we can raise a healthy community. We have Kids Day or Kids Week, August 11th through 15th, and adjustments are $14 for children 13 and younger, and they're $14 for a consultation exam and adjustment on a new child. So let's raise a healthy community. Get the kids in now. Thank you. And let's put both arms on your back. Put your left arm up above your head. Both arms up. Both arms down. Scratch your ear. Turn your head this way. Good job. Turn your head back to the middle. Bend your knees for me, silly. Woo! Pick your head up and look straight. Good job. Put it back down. Look down to your tummy. Put your head back to the middle. Bend your knees. Now look at the camera and put your thumb up and say, I'm healthy. Put your thumb up and say, I'm healthy. All right, he's healthy.